Oh, that looks like it. Hey guys, Dave here. Just got this in the mail. I've been looking forward to this one. It's a sample bag of dirt from Jeff Williams at AskJeffWilliams.com. As you may or may not know, he does have a drift mine, and he takes samples from his mine and puts them into bags. He uses a metal detector and uncovers mystery hits, puts them in a bag, and then sends them out to people. So I was fortunate enough to get one, and I really can't wait to open this up and see what's in it, because I've seen what's been in this batch from other people that have samples from the same batch. I know one person got two 2-gram nuggets, and another person got a 5-gram specimen gold nugget. So let's get to it and see what's in it. There it is. Even got my name on it. Okay, so I got my pan here, and we'll get right into it. Now this dirt comes from his drift mine. I think it's in Nevada. I'm not sure where, but people have been finding shells in it, so it's from an ancient river or seabed. So there's lots of little artifacts that can be found in this stuff. There it is. Zoom in on it. There. Let's see what we can find now. I just want to look through it dry and see if anything pops right out. So I have a pinpointer here that I picked up, and it's just a little handheld, and I'm going to use it to see if I can pinpoint any targets in the dry bag of dirt here. Well, that would be a target. Okay, let's zoom in there and see if we can see what it is. This doesn't set off on my hand, so I can go ahead and dig in it. Oh, that looks like it. Whoa, that's definitely heavy. Let's go clean it up and have a quick look. Okay, so we got the target right here. Just gonna give it a quick clean here. Wow, look at that. Yeah, so here it is. got quartz in it. Okay, so I've taken this party into the other room here, and I know how much my wife loves it when I do this in the bathroom, but well, she's not here, so. Anyways, I've taken this, the rest of the dirt here, and I've put it into a smaller bag, into a smaller pan here, just so I could get it into this other container here so I don't lose anything. I put a little bit of jet dry in there, so I think it's time we get this wet and see if there's anything else good in here. It's already been awesome, so it's a win no matter what. Oh, this stuff you have to get in there. It's like clay when it gets wet. Oh, it's sticky. Oh yeah, this is messy. It's gonna be messy. I'm gonna get in trouble. There we go, it's starting to break up here. I was thinking I should live stream this. Maybe let me know in the comments if you want me to do some live streaming in the future. I can do some pay dirt, or just we can do some just Q&A kind of stuff. Might be kind of fun, something different. Okay, it's starting to get broken up here. There's a couple of clumps left here. Let's get some more water in here. You guys can see that. This stuff hasn't seen moisture for millennia. So I bet it was thirsty. Glue. Right. Just working off really just the clay. There's not a whole lot left after the clay floats off. Silts, silicas. They're all dirty, okay. All right. Let's get some of that stuff out. Look at that stuff. Big rock here. Better check it. You never know. It could be another nugget. No. You almost need a destruction chamber to be able to sluice with this stuff. Look at that. This right here is just a big glob of yuck. So still some more stuff to be broken up. That's okay, we got time. Stir it all up. Break it all up. Now we can get aggressive with it. Just take off all the lights. Some big rocks in here. To be some black sand. That's a little piece of gold right there. Okay, so I've taken it down here. I don't want to bore you with the nitty-gritty. A little bit of clean water in here. Have a look. There's the black sands. They're gentle enough, I can see there are little colors in there. Just little microscopic colors. It's hard to see. I don't know if you see it in here, but that's an interesting little piece of metal there. So yeah, I think what I'll do is I'll recollect this stuff, kind of go through it a little more meticulously, looking for little things of interest, and then I'll show you what I get in the end. Okay, I got the scale all set to 0. There you go, 3.8988. Awesome nugget. Great specimen. Yeah, put it more in the middle. So yeah, that was pretty awesome. I'd like to take a chance to say thanks to Jeff Williams. He puts on an awesome channel. I'll put a link in the comments. Check it out. I definitely recommend you watch his channel. He's got great knowledge in geology, and he's got the passion for the yellow. So yeah, this is going to go in the collection for sure, and I can't wait to watch more of his videos, and who knows, maybe we'll do some more of these in the future. So, all right, thanks. See you later.